When the power goes out, having the right emergency candles can make a big difference. Today we're reviewing the best emergency candles for power outages, top picks that every prepper should consider. First up, we have long-burning emergency candles. These are designed to last up to 100 hours and are perfect for extended outages. Next, consider tea lights. They're compact and great for short-term use or adding multiple light sources. For safer and longer-lasting options, liquid paraffin candles are an excellent choice. They're smoke-free and safer for indoor use. Make sure to have a variety of candles in your emergency preparedness kit. This not only offers flexibility but ensures you're prepared for different scenarios, whether it's off-grid living or a short blackout. Don't forget to pair your candles with the right accessories like waterproof matches, lighters, and fire safety equipment. Being prepared is all about covering your bases. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.